Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hisham and you are learning vocabulary with Total Arabic in 3 levels. The Arabic words are color-coded: blue for masculine, purple for feminine, black for anything that applies to both masculine and feminine, green for phrases, and orange for the plural. We will start with level 1. I will read the Arabic word or phrase and I want you to guess the meaning. You have 5 seconds to say the translation before me. We are doing this level first to get you used to how Arabic words are pronounced, second, to remember their writing, and third, to train the brain to connect the sound and or the writing with the meaning. What does this mean? نعم. نعم means yes. نعم, yes. لا. لا means no. لا, no. أم. أم means or. أم, or. مدرس. مدرس means a teacher. مدرس, a teacher. طالب. طالب means a student. طالب, a student. نجم. نجم means a star. نجم, a star. دراجة. دراجة means a bicycle. دراجة, a bicycle. كلب. كلب means a dog. كلب, a dog. قط. قط means a cat. قط, a cat. حمار. حمار means a donkey. حمار, a donkey. حصان. حصان means a horse. حصان, a horse. ديك. ديك means a rooster. ديك, a rooster. فيل. فيل means an elephant. فيل, an elephant. That was great. Now we are at level 2. I will read the word or phrase in English and you need to say the equivalent in Arabic. If you don't remember, that simply means you need to practice more. Again, you have 5 seconds to give the answer before me. Before we start, I want you to understand why we are doing this. So the first goal is to provide you with the chance to say the word in Arabic. And here, I cannot stress enough that it is really important for you to say the Arabic word out loud. And the second goal is to train the brain to recognize the Arabic word by hearing or reading its translation in English. So now let's start. How do we say this in Arabic? Yes. Yes is نعم. نعم. No. لا. لا. Or. أم. أم. A male teacher. مدرس مدرس a male student طالب طالب a star نجم نجم a bicycle دراجة دراجة a dog كلب كلب a cat قط قط a donkey حمار حمار a horse حصان حصان a rooster ديك ديك an elephant فيل فيل Well done. You have reached level 3. I don't want you to stop here. I don't want you to give up. I want you to continue practicing. Now I will say the Arabic word and you will need to pause the video and try to write it down. When you finish, play the video and compare your writing with the one on the screen. If you are new to writing Arabic, Totally Arabic is offering a complete course for reading and writing Arabic. The link is in the description below. The goal of this level is to facilitate a long-term improvement in your vocabulary. Words stay with you longer when you write them down. So this is why writing words down is very, very important. So now let's start with the first word. How do we write in Arabic? نعم. نعم is on the screen. 3 letters. نعم. لا. La is on the screen. 2 letters. La. Am. Am is on the screen. 2 letters. Am. مدرس. مدرس is on the screen. 4 letters. مدرس. طالب. طالب is on the screen. 4 letters. طالب. نجم. نجم is on the screen. 3 letters. نجم. دراجة. دراجة is on the screen. 5 letters. دراجة. كلب. كلب is on the screen. 3 letters. كلب. قط. قط is on the screen. 2 letters. قط. حمار. حمار is on the screen. 4 letters. حمار. حصان. حصان is on the screen. 4 letters. حصان. ديك. ديك is on the screen. 3 letters. ديك. فيل. فيل is on the screen. 3 letters. فيل. Thank you so much for watching and being part of the Totally Arabic community. If you have any questions about what I have covered in this video, feel free to ask. If you have not already, subscribe to the channel as Totally Arabic has more to offer in helping you learn, grasp, and speak Arabic. See you in the next video. Keep practicing.